Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. Construction is one of the most demanding and versatile industries, covering everything from new developments and renovations to large-scale maintenance projects. Each job site requires tools and equipment that guarantee durability, ergonomic handling, and full compliance with safety regulations. From carpentry and reinforced concrete work to interior finishing, every field relies on specific tools designed to perform under pressure. From power tools like rotary hammers, angle grinders, and circular saws to essential hand tools such as trowels, hammers, and pliers, every category plays a crucial role. Measuring tools, laser systems, job site lighting, and heavy-duty equipment like compressors and generators complete the ecosystem. When it comes to professional construction, choosing the right brand is essential to guarantee performance, reliability, and long-term value. Some of the most recognized names in the industry stand out for their innovation and quality. Brands like Bosch and DeWalt are known worldwide for their powerful and durable equipment. Makita offers advanced cordless solutions, while Festool is renowned for precision and high-end finishing applications. For hand tools and measurement, Stanley and Facom provide reliability and robustness, while Knipex specializes in high-precision gripping tools. Other key players like Fisher deliver advanced anchoring systems, and brands such as U-Power and Blau-Klader ensure safety and comfort on site. Choosing trusted brands means investing in tools that can withstand intensive use, while to successfully manage any construction project, having access to a complete and reliable range of tools is essential. On MrWorker.com, professionals can find a comprehensive selection of construction tools and equipment. Whether you're expanding your equipment or starting a new project, Mr. Worker is the ideal partner to supply everything you need.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.